Good morning, everyone. So, our topic for the Unit 1 of Physical Education is values to the development and adjustment of an individual. So, modern physical education activities are based on the natural physical education of primitive times. Even more recent activities, when analyzed, are found to be developed from natural activities. So, if we say physical education, that is the physical activities or natural activities that we do um, probably running or hunting, like the primitive types is the hunting of an animals that serve as their food. Yun po ay isa sa mga activities o physical activities na kung saan maraming benefits sa katawan natin. So, what is the history? So, many experts trace the beginning of the physical education back to the ancient Greeks who had organized physical education. Ito po ay nagmula noong 700 BC or the before Christ. So, the educational establishment called gymnasia or the gymnasiums. Greek boys took part in discus and javelin, throwing, jumping, running, and wrestling. So, yun yung mga activity nung unang nabuo or kung saan nagsimula ang PE. Ano po? So, they received the instructions in mathematics, philosophy, and rhetoric. Physical education was part of the general education to the Roman citizens. Its primary value was in military training. So, unang-una pong napasok ang physical education, lalo na when it comes to academic, like the mathematics, philosophy, is during their military training. Kasi sa military training, marami pong mga activity, which is those activity is included in physical education. So in Europe, in Middle Ages, the 400s to 1500s, many sports and other physical activities were considered sinful during the Renaissance. Why sinful? Kasi, which lasted revival of interest in Greek and uh, Roman culture. In the Roman culture brought and returned to the competition in sport. So when it comes in Europe, Middle Ages, nagkaroon na po ng competition when it comes sa physical fitness. Kasi sa one of the physical fitness is the running, right? So, nandito na nagsimula ang mga competition sa iba't ibang lugar. Next, the historical foundation of physical education and sport. We have the Golden Age, which is the 2500 BC or the 2500 before Christ. So, ito pong PE in sports ay popular in Cretan culture. So, we have Homer and Iliad and Odyssey sa literature, one of the source and information and exercises. Sabi, music and gymnastics is the exercises for the body, music for the soul. Ano po? So next is in the Dark Ages. In Dark Ages, we have the 446 AD or the fall of the Roman Empire, physical and moral decay, most outstanding breakdown in Roman fall. So dito na po nag-start yung physical activities na mayroong two movements. That is the asceticism and the scholasticism. And when we say asceticism, believe in evil exists in the body and should subordinate to the spirit, which is pure. Scholasticism believe that facts are most essential items of education. We have the first Olympic Games continued in everywhere, that is 776 before Christ, and Indo-European people settled near Tyval River, which is 700 BC. So sa Europe, we have Germany. Si Johann Bernhard Bels, though, established the Philanthropium, the first school in Europe, na unang-unang nag-offer na physical education, which is included to their curriculum. Next po is si Johann din po, Friedrich Gatmat succeeded Christian Carl Andre as the instructor of physical education. So si Christian Andre is one of the first instructor when it comes to PE. So si Friedrich and 1778 and 1852, si Friedrich Slowachdon, Ludwig John established the Turnverein as association of gymnasts that exists until today. So, di ba may mga gymnasts naman tayo until today? Next po is Adolf Spies founded the School for Gymnastics in Germany. So, we have Sweden. Sa Sweden naman, ang physical education, a science, it includes a science and develop the Royal Central Institute of Gymnasts, where physical educators could receive training. So all of the teachers, all of the instructor when it comes to physical education, it receive a training before you can teach PE. Next, in 1902, 1816 to 1902, so si Gustav became the administrator of the RCI and the women were admitted for the first time. So dati, ina-accept lang during the peace the male. So in 1902, both male and female na ang ina-accept na magkaklase sa PE. Ano po? So 1820, 1886, a law was passed requiring physical education course on secondary level. So in Europe, we have Franz Nightingale played a large part in introducing physical education into public school. So 1880, 1950, nandiyan na po ang primitive gymnast. In Great Britain, nandiyan na po si Maclaren to make physical education a science. In 1860, he was designated to design the system of physical education for British Army. Next, we have the Civil War period in 1900. So Catherine Beecher founded the American Women Educational Association. So Dr. Lewis improving agility, grace of movement. So we have the flexibility and improving general health and posture. So sa United States, so early 20th century, lumaganap ang physical education. So meron na diyang natural gymnastic, according to Clark, Hetherington, understanding of children's play activities in terms of survival. Next po is World War. So all of the physical educators there provided a leadership for physical conditioning program for armed forces and also those on the home front. Next is the Golden 20s, 1920, 1929. Physical education programs continued to expand. 40% physical education were dropped. Also, physical educators become involved in recreation programs. So, if we say recreation programs, that is the program which is included the team building on every activity during the physical education. So 1940, 1970, physical fitness was cemented in the Office of Defense. 1970 to present, continue the era of physical education. Yan yung mga panahon lumaganap na ang physical education into our country. So the values of physical education activities are found in the resulting development and adjustment of an individual. Engaging in any activity simulates in some degree the four types of development. Through development activities emphasize different amounts. So, regular activities and physical activities are extremely important and beneficial for long-term health and well-being. Why long-term health? Kasi po, if we do physical activities, may pong benefits yun sa katawan natin. And lahat po ng mga kailangan natin gawin or magagawa na natin the whole day. Kasi po, physical activities is very important, especially when you do an exercises every morning because sa morning pa lang po nade-develop na kung ano man po yung, kumbaga lahat po ng dugo natin sa ating katawan dumadaloy na po. So, may iwasan na po natin na maging tamlayin and makakapag-isip na po tayo ng tama. Ano po? So, health benefits of exercise and physical activities. So, ito yung mga benefits po. Reduce the heart premature death, reduce high blood pressure, reduce risk of developing heart disease, ayan po, reduce the risk of developing diabetes, maintain health muscles, bone and joints, reduce depression, of course, improve psychological well-being, enhance recreation and sports performance. So, kasama po dyan yung mga emotionally damaged natin. When we exercise, makakapag-overcome po tayo sa mga emotional activity po natin. So, the 4 types of development, we have the organic. So, the power of endurance, ito heart, lungs, heat regulating mechanism. So, neuromuscular, pag sinabing neuromuscular naman, that is from the brain. So, interpretative, thinking, how are we going to think, and problem solving, we can solve any problem not only by the arithmetic or not only by the academic, but we can solve and we can think, solve the problem in real life situation that we have now. So, emotional, maturing impulse and emotion, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, when it comes to the emotional, when you do physical activities, ma-overcome natin lahat ng emotional problem na meron po tayo. So, again, what is physical education? It is a segment part of general education, aims to contribute the total development of the learner through participation in selected vigorous activities. Viewed from the program, syempre involved sa curriculum na meron tayo, we have the sports, game, dance, gymnastic, and recreational activities. We have the motor skill, fitness, health, vital, integral part, general education. So, lahat po yan, lahat ng makakapag-develop po sa atin is yun po yung ma-overcome po natin. Next po is objectives of physical education. We have the physical development in good health, can motivate an individual to practice further in physical activities, healthy growth and development of each learner will be enhanced. Of course, hindi mawawala, one of the objectives is the social development. Syempre, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming friend, we know how to coordinate, we know how to respect the others, the right of the others, good in sportsmanships, good leadership, and honesty in group competition. So, next is the emotional development. We have self-confidence. If we perform, magkakaroon po tayo or matidevelop yung self-confidence na meron tayo, the self-control, self-reliance, courage, determination, and discipline na kung ano po yung dapat lang natin gawin. Next is the mental when it comes to our mental development. So we learn the mechanical principles of underlinements as the learner acquires knowledge and understanding of rules, strategies, kung ano ba yung mga dapat gawin when it comes to sport, mga strategy na dapat natin gawin during the activity. So, may improve din po yung movements natin when it comes to dancing and gymnastics. Ability, of course, the important one is the ability to analyze and give judgment in every activities. Next, what are the legal basis of physical development? So we have the Article 1, the International Charter of Physical Education Sport, or the UNESCO. Paris 1978 recognition and interdisciplinary regional meeting. The practice of physical education sport is a fundamental right for all. That is one of the theme or the theme that the UNESCO gusto po nilang iparating para sa lahat. Then in Article Section 19, 1986, Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. The state shall promote physical education, encourage sports program league, competition, and amateur sport, including training for international competition to foster self-discipline, teamwork, and excellence for the development of a health and alert citizenry. So, basic physical education in college. Ito na po yung tinitake natin ngayon. We have the physical fitness. Ngayon yan, during your first year, first sem. Physical education 2 for the second SEM, the rhythmic activities, that is dancing. Physical education 3, first SEM is the individual dual sports. And physical education 4, second SEM is the team sports. And included for the PE is the basic swimming during your second year, second SEM. So that's all for today, and I hope that you understand the history of physical education. So for your activity, write an essay about the importance of physical education to you as a future educator and as a person who belongs to your community. So I hope everyone can pass your activity through our Telegram for the online classes, and for the face-to-face class, pass your activity during our face-to-face schedule. So I hope every one of you will learn regarding physical education. Nice to see you everyone. Bye. Thank you.